Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is a different day. Today is a collaboration with my friend Jennifer L. Scott. Jennifer is an author. She has authored all of the Madame Chic books, which are fabulous. I own all of them. She is a homemaker, and she is also a wonderful mother. She is the reason why I do the 10-item wardrobe. She's the very first person I ever followed on YouTube, and I really admire her and like her a lot. I'm sure that you will as well. So when you're through watching this video today, then I'd like you to pop over to Jennifer's channel, and I'll link it for you. And go ahead and watch her. If you love her as much as I do, and I know you will, please subscribe to Jennifer. She is fabulous, and you will enjoy her inspirational videos. For those of you who homeschool, she also has started homeschooling. So as in all things, Jennifer does it well, and I just really wish you would go over and watch her. Okay, here's what our collaboration is about today. It is on the 3 tips for clearing clutter. That's what we picked, 3 tips for clearing clutter. So I'm going to give you 3 quick tips for clearing clutter. Number 1, do it often. As you know, if you're watching my daily videos, you know that I talk about clearing mindless clutter about 3 times a day. Simple, easy, clearing clutter. Now, I'm not talking about decluttering large rooms. I'm just talking about clearing your clutter. So number 1 point is to do it often. Do it regularly. Have it set on a schedule. The second point is to make it fun. If it's overwhelming, put on some music and set the timer. Do something to make it fun. Beat the clock, whatever. And the third tip is to know the home of everything in your house. So when you are clearing this clutter, you're going to put it in a container of some sort. A wicker basket, a bag, it doesn't matter. Just put it in and take it to its home and put it up. That is very important. If you don't have a home for your clutter, then the clutter is just clutter. If you have a home for things, once it's put away, it's no longer clutter. Anything that's left out continues to be clutter, and clutter doesn't belong in a comfortable home. To have peace in your life, you don't want clutter in your house. So if it's not useful, if it's not something that you love, then it probably needs to go elsewhere. And you all know there are 3 things that you do with clutter. Number 1, you can put it away. Number 2, you can give it away if it's something you don't need anymore, don't like anymore, don't want anymore. Or number 3, you can throw it away. If it's not useful for anyone else, then throw it away. All right, so those are my 3 tips. Do it often on a schedule. Make it fun. Beat the clock, play some music, whatever, and put it in its home. Those are my 3 tips for the day. As you know, my tips change from time to time, but that's it. Now, if you're new and you like this video, I have a daily video that I put out every single day that helps I call them fly babies. It helps my fly babies do the work that they want to do in their home every day. So it's just a daily inspirational video to get you moving. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.